Hello students, this is chapter 13 of class 4. In this chapter, we will learn about some famous authors. Authors are also known as writers. A writer is a person who uses written words in different styles and techniques to communicate ideas. Writers produce different forms of literacy, art and creativity writing, such as novels, storybooks, poetry, plays, screenplay, songs and essay, as well as other reports and news articles that may be interest to the public. Writer texts are published across a range of media. They educate, aware and entertain people through their writings. In this chapter we can know about some famous writers and their books. Here you can see two columns. First column is the name of the books of the different authors. This column is in this column you can see different books name which are written by the different authors. And another column is for the name of the writers of those books. You have to find out the author's name according to their book's name. Now here number 1, Macbeth is written by William Shakespeare. Second one is Gulliver Travels. This book is written by Jonathan Swift. This book is written by Jonathan Swift. Third number is Animal Farm. Animal Farm is written by George Orwell. Now 4 number, My Experiments with Truth. This book is written by Mahatma Gandhi. The Guide. The Guide is written by R.K. Narayan. 6 number, Alice in the Wonderland. This book is written by Lewis Carroll. Next, Man and Superman. Man and Superman book is written by George Bernard Shaw. Next, The God of Small Things. The God of Small Things is written by Arundhati Roy. 9 number, A Tale of Two Cities. This is the book which is written by Charles Dickens. War and Peace. This book is written by Leo Tolstoy. The Good Earth. This book is written by Paul S. Buck. Harry Potter is written by J.K. Rowling. Daddy Long Legs. This book is written by Jean Webster. Daddy Long Legs. It is written by Jean Webster. Discovery of India. Discovery of India is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Meghdoot. It is a book written by Kalidas. And Godan. Godan is written by famous writer Premchand. You have to match the book's name with their author's name. आप इस चैप्टर को मैच द फॉलोइंग हेडिंग में लिख सकते हैं और जितने भी बुक्स हैं उन सभी बुक्स के ऑथर्स को लिखेंगे।